Today we will discuss experiment number 15 to calibrate given conductometer and to determine the normality of given mixture of sample of a strong acid and weak acid by titrating against strong base 1 molar sodium hydroxide by conductometer. There is a strong acid and weak acid by titrating against the strong base. Objective to understand the concept of calibration, then understand the principle of conductometer titration, to learn the construction and working of conductometer, and to acquire skill of handling conductometer. Requirement is instrument, conductometer, magnetic stirrer, burette stand, then chemicals, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, distilled water. These all chemicals used for this experiment. Then principle of this experiment, it is known that at infinite dilution or in very dilute solution, ion act as an independent of each other and they contribute to the conductance of the solution. Both cations and anions have a varying degree of ionic mobilities. When a solution of one electrolyte is added to the solution of another electrolyte, the overall conductance will depend whether a reaction occurs or not. If no chemical reaction occurs between the electrolyte solution and other added to it, the overall conductance of the solution will increase. All ions will contribute to the conductance of the solution. For example, addition of sodium nitrate solution to the sodium chloride solutions. Observation table for conductance of strong acid by 1 molar strong base. There is a volume of the 1 molar NaOH added and observe conductance. Then principle part, when a chemical reaction occurs, replacement or substitution of ions takes place, and depending upon the ionic conductance of replacing and replaced ion, conductance will either increase or decrease. Example is when a solution of sodium hydroxide is added to hydrochloric acid solution, replacement of H plus ions of a high mobility with that sodium with low mobility takes place and conductance is found to decrease. Principle of conductometer titration is based upon the substitution of ions of one mobility by ions of another mobility. Conductance will increase or decrease depending upon whether the mobility of C plus ion is greater or lesser than that of ion E. In conductometer titration, titrant is added in small volume and conductivity measured. The point thus obtained after the addition of each increment of titrant is plotted to give a graph which consists of two straight lines intersecting at the equivalence point. Naturally, accuracy of the methods is greater when the angle of intersecting line is more accurate, and the volume changes by the addition of a titrant should not be appreciable. For this titrant of 10 to 20 times concentrated is employed. A concentration of dilution effect is made by the multiplying the readings of conductivity by factor V plus V divided by V, where V is the original volume and small v is the volume of a titrant added. Then conductance of a weak electrolyte is largely depend upon the degree of ionization, which in turn is dependent upon the dilution and temperature. Solutions of a weak electrolyte are appreciably diluted before titration is carried out. For control of temperature, thermostat arrangement may be employed. Then mixture of strong acid and weak acid versus strong base. This experiment is based upon conductometer titration of mixture of a strong acid and weak acid versus strong base. Initially fall in conductance due to reaction of a strong acid with the strong base. The titration HCl with the sodium hydroxide involves following reactions: H plus Cl plus Na plus OH. There is Na plus Cl and H2O formation. At the start of the titration, the acid solution has a high conductivity due to highly mobile hydrogen ions. The share due to chloride ion will smaller because of less mobility as compared to hydrogen. When sodium hydroxide is added to HCl, highly mobile H plus ion is replaced by the less mobile Na plus ions. This will result in decrease of conductivity rapidly. The solution at neutralization, that is at the end point containing only sodium and chloride ions, will have a minimum conductivity. Now since weak conducting acetic acid is remaining, which on reaction with the strong base get converted into conducting salt, that is a sodium acetate, which is in the form of sodium and acetate ions. Again conductance increases. Now after neutralization of acetic acid, conductance rises more steeply as excess of OH minus ions, sodium hydroxide, is added. So two endpoints A and B for neutralization of strong acid and weak base are observed respectively. Thus if titration is carried out at the constant temperature and if the conductivity is plotted against the volume of sodium hydroxide, added graph will be obtained. However, in actual practice the lines may be slightly curved because of a variation of temperature due to heat of neutralization, increase in a volume of the solution because of the addition of the reagent, enter ionic effect. In split of these, the inflection is sharp enough to get the exact endpoint. An important advantage of the conductometric titration is that the relative changes in the conductivity is almost independent of concentration of strong acid being titrated. This dilute solution can be titrated with almost the same accuracy as concentrated solution. Procedure of this experiment. Procedure for calibration as per previous experiment number 14. Then experiment procedure is take a given sample containing mixture of hydrochloric acid and weak acid in 40 ml in 100 ml beaker. Then note down the initial conductance of a mixture. Add 1 molar sodium hydroxide with a 0.2 ml increment. After each addition of the solution was stirred using magnetic stirrer, the reading was recorded. When magnetic stirrer is stopped, note down the conductance. Plot the graph of conductance against the volume of 1 molar sodium hydroxide added. Determine the endpoint by graph and calculate the normality of given strong acid and weak acid by formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. This formula is used for the calculation of normality of given strong acid and weak acid. The normality of this given mixture by conductometric titration is noted down. After calculation, this value is put into the result.